Welcome back to the channel with Sunset 5. Today's video, we are here at the railroad crossing filming 85 along with Crazy Gamer 2000.
So yeah, we're at the crossing of Dufferin Railway in Westport.
Filming 85, we have oncoming traffic going on.
So if you see a lot of cars, you'll see a bunch of traffic.
Yeah, but
oh, so you can hear that horn, that means it's coming out. So we're going to zoom in for you guys a little bit more so you can see it.
Wait a minute. I didn't even do dedication at all. I didn't even do dedication. I didn't even press the buttons. It's like, why is he pressing? It's like,
We see the train right now. If you guys can see that train, it's majestic.
it's only 2 cars with that F40. 6426.
Oh my gosh, this is 426.
6426.
They might have a first class on it.
No, it's not first class. They don't have the LRCs. See, only 2 cars.
Oh, wait, there could be more.
They didn't
wait,
even.
you're right. There's only 2 cars.
That's,
So guys, we're only getting a 2-car train today.
That's typical in 85. Vacation 8861 crossing deactivated. And we're just waiting for 6426 to pass by.
So guys, you heard that right now. That's the people that's the engineers from the train.
No, that's static. It's not them, because if it was them,
They will be talking right now. So you guys can see
There
the
would be
train
no-
with
no-
2 cars. I think it's
6426.
I think it has coach.
8124 and 4005. It's
Coach cars. So
two blood coaches. Two blood coaches. They didn't even do dedication at all, which is weird, right? Maybe they.
guess for these kind of cars, they don't do vacations.
They still do dedication.
So guys, you can see the train coming right now, and you see those crossings right now. If you on zooms right now, you see our train, the gate we're at right now, the crossing we're at right now is stopping all cars.
And we have an F40 coming in.
Before it leaves, we'll go.
Hey, we got the horn! We got horn!
I think it's the guy you know.
Maybe. I think it's him if he gives us shaving haircut, or if he throws us down a chocolate.
It's him.
It's probably him. Yeah. Maybe shaving haircut. Maybe it's.
That's not good. It's wobbling.
It always does that.
Shaving haircut.
No, he didn't. That did scare me too.
So guys, you didn't see my face, did you?
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
I mean, we'll see you for 87. I'll be putting 87 in this too. See ya later. We've got a Via 87 P42 909 with 3476 and 3029. That's why I got the heads up. Oh, this engine just started up, which was probably 3394. And you can see the smoke going right through. I forgot to say clear Stratford West. They did say yellow flag though. Oh, there's another startup. There it is. There's that startup you were looking for. 909, I think. 909 or 906, that's what I got the heads up for. It's 909 or 906. That's what I got the heads up for. If it's 909, then I'll be lucky. 909 or 906. 909! First class coach. 909 with wrapped first class coach. That's what I got the heads up for. 909 and wrapped first class coach. There's that first class. And 30-9. 340 year wraps. And horn show by A5. Awesome. You see heat waves coming out. Got waves, nice. There it is, 3476. 40 year. Here's the first class. 3329. 3306. We'll have to find out in 1 second. But first class 3476 is awesome. What class? Oh, 3303. There it is. What class? Here goes 87. Since it's just a nice day, it's not wet, I'm going to probably start skipping you these low sit-down shots. Just sitting down, going rail setting. Now I can do a lazy rail, because I know notifications going on. Big fail. Have to do it again. It failed. Oh, I heard the sound of 34 horn. Yep. Wonder why that horn sounds.
Location 8861, passing activated.
Hopefully 909 is the same thing. But it's bad horn, of course. They're probably blow his horn. Yeah, they got a blow his horn. Well, they actually did the... Didn't hear me, but... They actually did the negation this time, because 85 didn't do it at all. Maybe she's an accurate, or maybe not.
See you later, Bruce.
Well, they are not.
He's walking? Okay. See you later.
And... No.
Take it easy, man.
There's
Hey.
one more. Bye.
How are you doing?
Good.
Haven't seen you for a long time.
Oh. There's something. Who was that?
They would never remember.
Who was it?
I used to go to daycare with that little boy when he was really little.
Oh, you may have been with Dave. Oh. That was a long time ago. There's that first class. I'm just waiting on vacation, that's all. There's the rest of the train, but meanwhile, let's do this. It's gonna happen. Thanks for watching. But don't forget to subscribe.
Location 8861, crossing deactivated.
Subscribe to me, Bike via Railfan, Crazy Gamer 2000, and more. Bye.